Hatuwezi kubalia yale ambayo tuliona jana. Tunakubaliana na wana Gen Z na tunasema kwamba Gen Z mmefanya kazi nzuri. We have failed sisi kama leaders to address their issues in one way or the other, from the top to the bottom. And I want to encourage them. Any maandamano, any protest that you have tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, you will be guaranteed that it will be peaceful. We will not allow any element of criminals hijacking those demonstrations. Nataka tuseme kwamba Gen Z mmetuamsha wale ambao walikuwa wamelala. Na hii shida ya Kisii, mnajua kwamba tumekuwa na shida hapa. Hii shida ya Kisii, I'm sure is just a drop in the ocean. Kwa sababu imekuwepo, tumekuwa tukifagia tunaweka nyuma. Mmeona imetokea kila mahali kwa sababu leaders, viongozi wameamua kufanya maovu bila kuwa reprimanded by the institutions of security. Therefore, we don't want again to go back there. I want to ask leaders, tafadhali, hata kama mlipiga kura, yes, nyinyi ni watu wetu hapa, tunasamea nyinyi. Tukiwasamea, tunaomba kwamba muombe msamaha kwa wananchi. Wabunge wengine wameomba msamaha, wacha kujipiga kifua. Wabunge wengine wameomba msamaha, nyinyi omba msamaha, ndiposa joto irudi chini. Mpaka rais ameomba msamaha. Kwa hivyo tunaomba kwamba tafadhali watu wengine ninyi omba msamaha na joto irudi chini. Lakini cha muhimu, mtu yote ambaye, na nataka niulize vyombo vya usalama, kwa sababu mnaelewa vizuri ni nani alifanya uharibifu jana siku mzima mpaka usiku na baada ya maandamano. Usiku askari mko nyuma ya watu ambao walikuwa wanavunja maduka ya watu. Aidha nyinyi askari ndio mlikuwa mnavunja na wao ama mlikuwa mnalinda wao kuvunja. Kila kitu nataka tuuliza tafadhali vyombo vya usalama, ile nguvu mlitumia jana, msitumie nguvu kupita kiasi. Na ninyi wana Gen Z, nataka niwaombe mtu yoyote kama mnataka what we call demonstration marshals, wale ambao wanalinda nini, wanalinda demonstrations, tafadhali tutawapea, ndiposa fujo isitokee. Mfanya maandamano yenu, msiharibu mali ya mtu, msipige mtu, hata askari pia tutawaambia namna hiyo. Kwa hivyo leo nataka niseme kwamba naungana pamoja na Wakenya wengine wote kulaani kitendo cha uhuni ambacho kilifanyika hapa Kisii, hapa kaunti zingine zote na Kenya nzima. Tulinde maisha ya wananchi. Askari tafadhali tunawaomba, na vyombo vya madola tunawaomba kwa hisani kubwa, tafadhali msiwe watu bila sababu, msipige watu bila sababu. Na zile vikundi ambazo zinalindwa na askari wote, time can change. Tafadhali be watchful how you are treating the normal citizens. To do recount of what happened yesterday out of the protest our people had. The protest, as it were, it was a peaceful demonstrations we expected to have happen in Kisii County and Kantroi. But we have seen out of those protests, there are so many casualties and many properties destroyed out of the protest of yesterday. But unfortunately, here in Kisii, we lost one person who was shot by the police. A number of the people that we have seen in the boards, they have head injuries, and most of them, they were hit by blunt objects. And these blunt objects, I'm told, they are goons who had rungus, who were molesting and harassing demonstrators, as it were. But fortunate enough is that most of them, they are in a stable condition, whereas there are those ones that the unfortunate thing, there is a lady who was pregnant, was hit again. I'm told she's 36 weeks. Was hit in the in the stomach, but I'm told that she's in a stable condition. Hopefully that she'll get her out soon. The yesterday protest in Kisii turned chaotic. We don't expect that Kisii to be in this state. Kisii has been the place anybody from anywhere can run to when there is a problem in the country. But as was witnessed yesterday, Kisii turned out to be again the worst place because of the plan, and I want to state the plan infiltration into the peaceful demonstrators who are having their demonstration in this town. I've taken upon myself to call upon sobriety among our people, but more importantly, I want to call upon the police. You used excess force yesterday. You watched properties destroyed. Many of people's property were destroyed. Up to midnight, there were gangs, I'm told, in this information, I'm told, there were gangs which were guarded by the police, routing chemists around the hospital here, Mwembe, and these goons, some of them targeted business. Unfortunately, the ones which were happening here, I'm told they were targeting one of the member of parliament house. And I want to ask our people, please, be it somebody who voted yes or no, they are our people, they are our leaders. We can deal with those leaders at the right time, because when we want to torch down those houses, know that they are children, innocent children, they are innocent people in those compounds. Let us not try that. But again, allow me to say this, that there were 30 injuries which were reported in the hospital. 22 are still in the wards. 2, they are due for theater. 2 had gunshots. And the rest had the beatings from the goons. And those goons, I'm told some of them, they may not be even from Kisii. If they were from Kisii, they must be from very far, because there were new faces in town. These are the people who are terrorizing people. I want to ask my people, please, the attacking on the ambulance, it was uncalled for, because the ambulance was helping those ones who are injured, even those ones who are attacking those ambulances. You will attack that ambulance and you will be hit either by a bullet or by a tear gas. Then the same ambulance people will help you. I don't see the reason why people would come and lit fire in the entrance of the hospital. Police threw tear gas into the compound of the hospital near or next to the ICU, children's ward, maternity ward, newborn ward. The doctors, they had to make sure they have evacuated all those people from those wards until the situation calmed. I want to